Hello and welcome to my tutorial. As my promise in my previous video, we will learn about the procedure and how to implement this stuff. Okay, here we go. Based on Pascal language, Delphi has procedure to work with. Procedure is basically same with function but more specific, and you can make it, implement it, call from uh, other class and inner class and something else. It's cool actually, but there are two different things we have to concern. At first, we have to check out what procedure make for. If we make procedure just for inner class, I recommend to place it in the private procedure. And for the outer class, you can place it into public class. Now, it's time to code. First, in this demo, I will use private procedure, and procedure always has a name to call. After make procedure with name, just simply press Ctrl Shift and C. This is a short key to build procedure. It's cool. Inside the procedure, we can make change like a message. For example, show message, hi YouTube. And now we have to call this procedure inside the button because we don't have any action inside buttons, and we can make it everywhere. Now we have to run and see. We call message from the procedure. As I said in previous video, I revealed how to show table contents by the code. At first, we have to call data module class, because in my previous video we have learned about how to call another class, and now we call my query from data module. Something we have to know is if we call components inside other class, we have to call the object first. This unit 2 is not object based, but this is a class name. To know the object name, you just go to other class you want to call and check the name, and after we got the name, now we can call the components. The first we call is object name, and then we call the components. It's understandable. Actually, we can cut out the object name with little trick. First, we have to define with do, begin, end. This structure simplify your code. We call once object name and calling components inside of it. And now we have to close this action. Close means this my query is not activated, and then SQL clear. SQL clear means before we execute the query, we have to clear all query inside my query. And the next one is define my query we want to call, and after all we can activate my query again with open. Open means my query is activated. If you want to call this procedure when your form show up, then place it to form action, and with form create or form show. After this little introduction, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.